Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Kraken wallet setup for safety. So here's the breakdown. Keeping your crypto safe on Kraken starts with using their official wallet features and security tools. First, enable the two-factor authentication, which is the 2FA for every account login and withdraw, and add an extra layer of protection beyond just a password. Next, store long-time holding in crypto cold storage, which keep most of your crypto offline and out of reach from tracker or hacker. For active trading funds, use separate sub-accounts to limit exposure in case of a security issue. Always verify withdrawal address and consider using Kraken's whitelisting features, so only pre-approved address can receive funds. Follow these steps, keep your crypto secure while letting you trade safely. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy crypto safety tips, and comment which security features you would like to try first. And that's it.